now time to mount the Arlo Security Light. The operating range between the bridge and light is typically over 90 feet, but can vary depending on walls, building materials, and other objects between them. Try to minimize the number of walls between your bridge and lights to get the best coverage. Now, if you are connecting multiple Arlo Security Lights, you'll want to place the bridge in a central location, so each light is equal distance from the bridge. For optimal performance, plug the bridge into an elevated power source, such as a wall outlet. Do not connect to an outlet power strip positioned on the ground. Make your way to the area where you plan to place your light for illumination and security needs. Manually turn the light on and off. Use the Arlo app to confirm that the light is within range of the bridge. Be sure to mount the light at least 6 to 8 feet from the ground. Use the provided screws to attach the mount to a wall or other structure. Screw the security light onto the treaded post and tighten the plastic collar to secure the light. Tilt the light at least 15 degrees forward and swivel the light to maximize the detection zone. Motion sensors typically work best with side-to-side traffic across the detection zone, rather than movement directly towards it. Once mounted, verify once more that the light turns on by manually turning the light on and off. To verify that the light does detect motion, walk across the light and see if you receive an alert from the Arlo app. Your Arlo Security Light has a special dusk to dawn feature designed to help conserve battery power. When the surroundings are bright enough, the light will not turn on when motion is detected, but you'll continue to receive motion alerts right on your Arlo app. For more information and tips on the Arlo Security Light and Arlo Smart Home Security, visit support.arlo.com or the Arlo YouTube channel.